Greetings to all. Today I will show you how to present the screen in Google Meet. Okay, what I have done is I have just taken the PowerPoint presentation, I have just opened and I have minimized it. Now I have joined the Google Meet. Now I need to present the screen. So what I am going to do is in the right corner I have a button Present Now. So I'll just click on that button. I'll get three options. I'm choosing the first option, that is present your entire screen. So I'm just clicking on that. Now there will be a window. So I will just click on the window, and as I click, the share button will be selected. So I will just click on share. Now there will be a message saying you are presenting your screen. Now if I don't need, I can give stop presenting, but I am going to present the screen. Therefore what I am going to do is I will just take the material that I need to present. So I have just minimized on PowerPoint presentation. I am just opening that. So this is what I need to present. So whatever now it is on my screen will be presented. Now I am just going for the slideshow. So all will be able to see. So in the bottom there is a thing. We can even stop sharing now. But I don't want this screen. Therefore I am just hiding this. Now I am presenting. So as we present in other PPT, we can just go for the next slides. Okay, when it's over, then just give escape, or we can just stop it, and then I need to stop presenting the screen now if my presentation is over. So I'll just open again the Google Meet, and there is an option stop presenting. I can even press this, click on this, otherwise you are presenting, it is in the right corner. So what I will do is I will just click on this. There will be an option stop presenting. So I will stop presenting. So now whatever is on the screen everybody can see because I am not presenting now. If I need to present once again, like by mistake I came out, do the same. Like go for present now, click your entire screen, then click on the window, then click on share. Then I have to just open. There will be a maybe 1 or 2 seconds it will take to say you are presenting to everyone. If I don't need this message here, I can just hide it. And then I need to take the screen that I need to present. So now I can just proceed with the slideshow. Hope it's clear. So now I'm going to stop presenting. I'm opening the Google and then giving stop presenting. Thank you.